Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Bittrex alternative exchanges, complete guide step by step clearly. To register with alternative exchanges to Bittrex, begin by identifying your preferred platform. Research various exchanges to find one that suits your trading needs. Popular alternatives include Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Visit the official website of your chosen exchange. Locate the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on this button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Choose a strong password that meets the exchange's security requirements. Read and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Complete any CAPTCHA verification to prove you are not a robot. After submitting your information, check your email for a verification link. Click the link provided in the email to verify your address. Once verified, log into your new account using your email and password. Next, navigate to the account settings or profile section. Here, you will need to complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) process. Prepare to upload identification documents such as a government-issued ID and a utility bill. Follow the instructions for uploading these documents securely. Wait for the exchange to review your documents. This may take several minutes to a few days. Once approved, proceed to enable two-factor authentication for added security. Next, link a payment method to fund your account. Most exchanges accept bank transfers, credit cards, or other cryptocurrencies. Follow the specific instructions for your chosen payment method. Once your account is funded, you are ready to start trading. Explore the platform's interface to familiarize yourself with its features. Finally, ensure to review any trading fees and regulations before making trades. You are now set to engage in trading on your selected exchange. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.